There's a decision being made about XRP right now that could completely reshape its future. This isn't just another update, this could be the turning point we've all been waiting for. If this decision goes in the right direction, it could mean massive changes for XRP, from skyrocketing adoption to a potential price surge that could surprise everyone. But what exactly is this decision? Why does it matter so much? Whether you're holding XRP or just following the market, this moment could change everything. Let's dive into what's at stake, why it matters, and what we can expect from XRP in the coming weeks. So, what's this decision that could change everything for XRP? Right now, all eyes are on the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. This case has been dragging on for years, but it's finally approaching a critical point. A ruling could come down soon, and it could completely change XRP's future. If the court rules in Ripple's favor, it could mean clear legal standing for XRP, freeing it from the uncertainty that's been holding it back. Why does this matter so much? Well, the outcome of this case isn't just about Ripple and the SEC, it's about the entire crypto market. If XRP wins, it would set a massive precedent for how other cryptocurrencies are treated by regulators. It would show that a digital asset like XRP can be used in real-world applications without the burden of being labeled a security. This decision would remove the legal cloud over XRP and could open the door to more adoption, partnerships, and potentially even institutional investment. But what happens if Ripple loses? The consequences could be huge. XRP could face more legal hurdles and be forced to operate under stricter regulations, slowing its growth and potential adoption. The uncertainty around XRP could also shake investor confidence, leading to price drops and slower adoption across the financial industry. So this decision really is a make or break moment for XRP, and it's something we all need to pay close attention to. Now, let's talk about Ripple's global expansion and why it's so critical for XRP's future. Even though the legal battle has cast a shadow over XRP, Ripple has been working tirelessly to build its presence in the financial world. Despite the legal challenges, Ripple has formed key partnerships with some of the largest financial institutions in the world, including Santander, PNC, and SBI Holdings. These partnerships are vital for Ripple's mission to make cross-border payments faster, cheaper, and more efficient, and they directly impact the demand for XRP. Ripple has also been making moves with central banks around the world, helping them explore central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Now, this is huge for XRP. If central banks decide to use XRP as the bridge currency for cross-border transactions, the demand for XRP could skyrocket. And now, with potential regulatory clarity coming from the legal case, Ripple's partnerships could grow even faster, allowing XRP to be more widely adopted in the global financial system. This is why this legal decision is so important. It could determine whether Ripple's efforts to expand the use of XRP globally can continue without any legal roadblocks. If the decision goes in Ripple's favor, the company will have the freedom and legitimacy to push harder, build more relationships, and bring more financial institutions on board. The real-world use cases for XRP are growing, and this decision could be the key that unlocks the floodgates to a whole new level of adoption. Now that we've covered Ripple's legal battle and its global partnerships, let's talk about how this decision could directly impact XRP's price and market movement. We've seen time and time again that when regulatory clarity is achieved, the market reacts positively. If the court rules in Ripple's favor, XRP could be free from the legal uncertainty that's been holding it back, and the floodgates of adoption could open wide. This would likely trigger a surge in XRP's price as more investors and institutions jump in with confidence. In the past, we've seen what happens when a crypto asset gains regulatory certainty. Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, saw massive price increases after positive regulatory developments and institutional investment. If XRP wins this case, the institutional money could start pouring in. Major financial players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs are already showing interest in crypto. And if XRP is cleared of all legal obstacles, these players could begin to treat XRP as a legitimate financial asset, much like Bitcoin and Ethereum. On top of that, the demand for XRP could skyrocket if Ripple continues to build more use cases, such as cross-border payments and working with central banks on digital currency projects. The market's optimism around XRP's long-term potential could lead to higher prices as more institutions and governments adopt it as a solution for faster, more secure transactions. But what about the risks? If Ripple loses this case, it could mean more legal battles, which would add uncertainty to XRP's future. That could push the price down as investors may pull back due to concerns over regulatory restrictions. It's clear that the outcome of this decision will shape the price action for XRP in a big way. And that's why it's so important to keep an eye on what happens next. So with all this uncertainty and potential for massive shifts in the market, what should XRP holders expect in the coming weeks? The reality is we're at a critical moment, and this decision could determine the next major phase for XRP. If the ruling goes in Ripple's favor, we could see XRP's legitimacy solidified, which would likely lead to increased institutional interest and mass adoption. With big financial players starting to embrace cryptocurrency, this could be the moment XRP needs to finally break free from its legal constraints and enter the mainstream financial system. In the short term, it's possible that we could see a bump in XRP's price as investors react to the news, regardless of which way the decision goes. If the decision is in Ripple's favor, expect to see a surge in XRP's price, as the market would see this as a green light for broader institutional adoption and usage. However, if Ripple faces setbacks, there could be a temporary dip in XRP's value, as uncertainty would continue to plague the asset. As a crypto holder, it's important to be prepared for volatility. The next few weeks could bring some wild swings in the market as investors react to the outcome of this decision. For those who believe in XRP's long-term potential, now might be the time to stay patient and hold strong as the legal landscape clears up. On the other hand, if you're more risk-averse, it could be worth monitoring developments closely and adjusting your strategy if the market moves in unexpected directions. Whatever happens, XRP's future is still being written, and this decision could determine just how high or low that future takes it. Keep a close eye on the news and stay informed, because this decision could truly change everything. Looking ahead, it's clear that XRP's future is tied to the outcome of this decision. If the ruling is in Ripple's favor, we could see a wave of institutional adoption and greater mainstream acceptance of XRP as a legitimate financial asset. The shift from speculative interest to real-world use cases could dramatically change XRP's role in the global economy, especially if it becomes the go-to solution for cross-border payments, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and global remittances. This decision doesn't just affect the legal standing of XRP, it could lead to more global partnerships, more adoption by major financial institutions, and an overall boost in confidence across the market. As more businesses begin using XRP for their transactions, the demand for the token could increase, pushing its price higher. We might also see new market trends as XRP gains momentum in the crypto space, with other assets potentially following its lead. But let's be clear, volatility is still a part of the crypto world. No matter what the outcome of this decision is, XRP holders should prepare for both short